Okay, today I'm just going to change my clothes. Where's my pajamas? Find it. Where is it? Where is it? One, baby. Okay. Avoid this sleeping. It's already morning. I have to get this. Just go away. I'm just. Oh, I'm just having a phone now, and I'm just with this. I'm just getting. I'm just so loading. I'm just. There you go. Okay, I'm just having a breakfast. Let's get something. Oh, planet! Oh my. Open. Okay. Finally, I'm eating. Yum, 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 yum. I wanna go upstairs. I'm gonna pee. Go under. Get the ticket and play. OMG, I was just been looking for this. Oh, let's go inside. I'm going inside. Let's play another game.
Some days can get a little crazy.
I got an ad.
There's always something flavorful. Wow. Yummy.
Okay. Okay, I do it.
Ating nga panda, no? Oh, ang dadala ko.
I think there are even lines. They just made that. They're just even lines. So this, I will just try to watch if it's really I have that, but it's always drawing a fish. I just draw a fish once I brought it.
Hello, galera! Tudo bem com vocês? O vídeo de hoje tá muito legal, porque hoje eu vou estar explorando a escola 2 aqui no Avatar Force. Mas antes, galera, já deixa muito like, se inscreva no canal e ativa o
I
sininho
didn't
para não
know
perder
this.
nenhum vídeo. E bora lá! Bom, galera, dizem que algo está construindo uma escola e tem uma menina assustadora que está aparecendo por lá à noite. E eu quero conferir para ver se é verdade ou não, tá bom? Bom, já estou aqui de pijama, pronta para ir saindo pra cama, mas eu não estou com sono. E eu resolvi agora, nesse exato momento, à noite, ir até a escola para conferir os artigos e ver se é verdade. E claro, deixa muito like nesse vídeo e ficam até o final para vocês ficarem junto comigo e eu não estar sozinha aqui, tá bom, galera? Então, vamos até a escola. Bom, galera, a escola está completamente vazia. Olha aqui pro lado de fora, apesar também que é à noite. Então eu quero o quê, né, galera? O que eu estava esperando, né?
Plástico.
Não, né? Então está totalmente vazia a escola e as pessoas são curiosas também, ao mesmo tempo. Eu estou comigo, porque
Ano
olha,
ba yung
esse cara é uma menina
sa
segura de
timba?
escola, olha,
Dali,
será que eu vou saber se é
yan.
verdade? Ai, galera, eu espero que eu consiga descobrir se é verdade ou não, mas também eu
Ano,
espero não
ano,
ter
ano,
nenhum descontável aqui, é porque eu sou muito medrosa. Se você for corajosa, deixa muito like. E se você não é corajoso, ou você é medrosa ou medroso, comenta bastante, tá bom, galera? Bom, dizem que é uma menina, né? Então, vamos deixar algumas fotos de algumas pessoas, né? Algumas crianças. Aqui nesse painel também tem uma foto aqui dentro. Interessante. Mas vamos continuar, galera. Aqui tem a foto do professor de educação física. E aqui, galera, não temos nenhum tipo de foto. Vamos então até a sala do diretor. Bom, aqui na sala do diretor tem aqui um menino, né? Pode ser que seja o diretor, porque ele era mais novo, não sei, né? Pode ser que sim, e também pode ser que não. E vamos conferir todos os detalhes. Aqui, galera, temos o diretor, né? Uma foto dele. Então, até isso bem, certo. Aqui temos um livro, aqui temos um livro, mas esse livro não abre, tá? Então, está tudo certo. E aqui temos alguns livros também. Temos aqui umas revistas de dinossauros. Aqui tem essas fotos aqui ó, também, que é muito interessante. E tem aqui algumas crianças, tá vendo? Mas eu não sei, galera. Peraí, galera. Tem essa foto aqui, ó, com essa menina no jornal. Galera, eu nunca tinha percebido a foto dessa menina aqui no jornal. Não, olha isso aqui, galera. Eu vou dar uma sei, pra vocês verem bem melhor. Olha, eu nunca vi essa menina aqui na Carborda. Vocês já viram? Comentam aqui, porque às vezes ela pode estar perdida por aí, né? Mas olha só, eu nunca vi esse jornal aqui. Nunca tinha reparado, galera. Bom, galera, é sério. Eu tô sentindo um pouco de frio aqui, galera. Olha, sinceramente, eu não sirvo pra ficar vindo muito. Ai, eu tô ficando assim um pouco com medo. Ai, meu Deus do céu, por que eu fiz inventar de estar vindo pra escola de noite? O meu, hein? O meu é rosinha. Eu não encontrei nenhuma
I don't
festa, mas
even
também ao
see
mesmo
it.
tempo eu tô ficando com
They're
medo.
lying. Okay, what?
President raises the bar on chocolate cake. The bar amazing cake starts at $1.99. Stretchy, stuffy, shareable friendship bracelet. Level up your style with Jelly Bear. Cookie roll. Please like and subscribe.
Well, I'm so happy. Today is the last day. I can't wait. Come on, get up. Drink. Yeah, get up. Today is the last day of garden 42. Yeah, why are you so loud? Hey, you just need to have to get up. Yeah, you're already more colorful. So get dressed. I'm brushing teeth. I'm just going to lie down in bed and lie. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, just 5 minutes. Okay, now let's brush your teeth. Oh, good morning, Dad. Oh, Annabelle, my darling. Good morning. Is today a wonderful morning? The last day of school. Hey, Annabelle, where are Max? I woke them up, but I bet they went back to bed. Oh, yeah, they do that every morning. Okay, then I'll wake them up. Okay, I'll go brush my teeth while I'm doing that. Very good, Annabelle. Max, I'm getting up. That's so typical. Okay, then I'm going to brush my teeth. For that, I need my toothbrush, toothpaste, and of course, water on it. Brush properly, and I'm done. Now add some rich water. Wow, that's disgusting. So spicy. The fresh taste in my mouth is really great. Now I'm going to do my facial care. First, I'm going to wash my face with lukewarm water. Very nice. Okay, then I'll leave you. Just the same every morning. Okay, what outfit am I going to wear? First, I have to take off my pajamas and then proceed. Okay, how about outfit number 1? I actually think that's pretty cute. It's the last day of school. No, I think that's boring. Okay, how about outfit number 2? That's actually pretty nice. What do you think? Which one should I get? 1 or 2? Maybe the third outfit. Oh yeah, I like it. I like outfit number 3 the best. Let me know in the comments which one you like best. Oh, I almost forgot my airbag. Very nice. I think I'm ready for school now. Oh no, my cell phone. Very important. I couldn't live without my cell phone. I always need it with me. Okay, but now I'm hungry. Now I want to eat something. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Annabelle, my darling. You looking forward to the holidays? I can't even imagine. I'm so exhausted. I love the holidays. Oh, delicious. Scrambled eggs. Makes me think of that. I think I've got everything. So, I still need the car keys in my wallet. How long will it take? Can we finally get going? I don't want to wait any longer. Yes, I'm ready. Whoever gets to the car first.
Budget engineers are executing
That's
yung
not
mga
expected.
ng
Max,
ipin, magpati-swipe din.
so exhausted.
Kailangan ko na naka-experience ng peace whitening na hindi talaga ako nasaktan. Yung peace whitening kasi tatlong cycles yan na take 15 minutes na ibababad yung ngipin mo para pumunti siya. Dati kasi pag nagpapa-peace whitening ako, hanggang 2 cycles lang yung kinakaya ko since nakakahilo talaga siya. Pero dito sa akong dental, kaya ko hanggang 3 cycles na wala akong nararamdaman na pangingipin. Yung shape ng teeth ko before and after, very natural na siya. Kasi ako yung sobrang puti ng mga mentos. Yan silang bago ng aking dentista dito sa Kampong Dental Clinic. So sabi niya, avoid color food daw for 1 to 2 days after teeth whitening, especially yung mga corn flakes, soda, ketchup, toyo, bawal po. I-try niyo dito magpa-teeth whitening sa Kampong Dental Clinic sa Makati branch nga pala ako pumunta. Hindi siya masyadong nakakangilo. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong machine yung gamit nila, pero wala talagang pain. Thank you so much, Doc Pat and Kampong Dental Clinic.
Sorry.
Kung wala kang budget for fingers at insecurity mo din ang madilaw ng ngipin, magpa-teeth whitening ka. Dito lang ako naka-experience ng teeth whitening na hindi talaga ako nasaktan. Yung teeth whitening kasi
That's so unfair. I want to go to Hawaii again, like last year. It's okay. Maybe you could go to Legos and the fairy tale homes. That was so cool. Yeah, that's right. You can really go there and they usually have a little surprise plan. Oh, I don't want to
I don't read properly. I think that's Nelly's.
Ako na mo.
like that. Annabelle is really upset.
Utang patatam ng mga marimlan eh.
I hope you like the surprise. So they arrived at Okay, Annabelle, we're here. Get to get out now. I hope you have a great last day. Gabriella. Aunt Annabelle, you have to get out. Hello, Mama Annabelle has headphones on again. They can't hear you.
Lalaki yung naka.
Loudly. Oh, yeah, that's like Annabelle. You have to get out. Oh, for heaven's sake, Mama, don't shout like that. I'm not deaf. You don't have to get up. Oh, well, bye. You don't have to get up. I wouldn't have to get up.
Tengke.
Mom, why is Annabelle such a bad student? Yeah.
Pizza mo.
Oh, just puberty. So, are you looking forward to kindergarten? Yes, the last day of kindergarten. You guys are so cute. Where are my two best friends? Ah, there they are. Good morning, Sophie. Good morning, Tiana. Oh, good morning, Anna. Yes, good morning.
I want to
Looking
see
forward to the last day of
What's
school.
my favorite? Donuts look like Bobati.
Yes, that's true. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. You guys know what grade you're getting on your report card yet? Let's see. Oh my god.
That's my favorite. Chocolate. Why does it taste like that?
Every girl is lovely. You know what I've heard? I heard he has a new girlfriend. What? Really? Yeah. I wish it was my turn. I wish I was.
Why there's ice inside?
That's right. That would be really cool. I think that'll just remain. Okay, kids, be quiet. The lesson is starting now. So, good morning, kids. Good morning, Mr. Fido. And another year has gone by. I just can't believe it. Now I'm not going to make a big fuss. I'm handing out the report cards. So the first one is for David. Oh my God. Yes, I got straight A's in one week. Very well done, David. You should try a little harder in sports. The next one is for you, Tiana. Yeah, I knew it. All A's. Oh, cool. Oh, and Tiana, congratulations. Wow. All A's. I could only dream of that. Yeah, Tiana. You did really well. You really deserve it. All A's. I'm sure I'll get all A's too. What do you really think? You sure? You got all C's in that. You'll see. I'll get all A's too. No, Lola, not quite. Your grades are a little bit different. Oh my God, I got a D for the Lord. I've been telling you all along.
Mano yung may ninong.
Okay, the Lord. What? You have to repeat the class then? Wait.
Tanganak ng Bapan Jinggoy na yung deliver.
Oh no.
Bapan
You
Jinggoy.
found out my real name.
May balita na ang gobra ka rin.
What is your real name and Lola just an
Bayon ang
abbreviation?
dangmen.
What? No. Of course my name is Lola. My name is Lola and nothing else. Okay, the Lord. Absolutely. Yes, the Lord. You don't need to get so upset. Stop it. You too, or I'll finish you off.
Kaya.
Okay, next report card is for you. Well done, Ian.
You just
got
stayed.
straight A's too. Oh, thank you. What? Ian, You're so good. He's always so quiet that sometimes I forget he's even there. Seriously, Ian, very well done. Okay, let's continue. The next report card is for you. So, unfortunately, your report card isn't that good. You're doing well. Oh man, my mom sees this. She'll be really pissed. Oh, your report card is definitely not that bad. And Annabelle, this one is for you. Yours is actually just as bad as Sophie. You should try harder. Oh man, what grade did I get? Let's see. Okay, AP in religion, social studies 3, German 3. It's okay. Math, A4. Oh man, mom and dad are so angry. The music, an A in art education, an A2. That's already good, right? Crafts, AB in sports. And actually, a lot of A's anyway. But I don't get some good grades in sports. Okay, kids, I hope you have a lot of fun during the holidays. We'll see each other again in class in a month. And I hope you have a lot of fun during the holidays.
Pero pag dadating kahit hindi ko.
Can you imagine that? Next year we'll see
Yan, plastiko.
exactly. Then I'll go to high school. By the way, where are you all going on vacation? Well, my parents are taking me to Turkey. I'm so looking forward to seeing my relatives again. Like every year, we're going to Italy. I think the ring on it.
This is not mine.
This year, I think we're going to Greece, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, how cool. We're not going anywhere this year. My parents bought a new car, and we don't have any money for a vacation. Oh man, I'm sorry. Anna, so weren't you guys in Hawaii last year? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, exactly. Vacation is so cool. We flew first class and stayed in a luxury hotel. Oh, I can see that with my mom. Well, hopefully we'll see each other next year. Right. Yeah, see you later. Oh, I see
Bata yan.
well, then I wish you all a nice vacation.
Papa.
Bye, David. Have a nice vacation. Where are you going on vacation? Beyond? Yeah, that's right. You haven't mentioned that yet. Okay, I'll go then. Have a nice vacation, Anna. Oh, you only wish you a nice vacation. What? No. You only said why are you
Oh,
rushing
gamba.
so much? What? I'm not rushing at all. What are you talking about? There you are. Hey, Josh, come on. Let's go. Oh, cool. Well, finally we're going. Yeah, let's get out of this.
Balik ko
Yeah,
bukas.
that's right. Finally. Some time for a break. He's been here again. So handsome. I wonder where he's going on vacation. His parents are thinking good. He's probably going somewhere luxurious.
You like
Come on,
it?
guys. Let's get out of here. Yeah, come on. Let's go home together. Oh, yeah. Luckily, we live next door to each other. Yeah, that's really good. And here we are. Thanks for walking us home. Hey, it goes without saying, that's what best friends are for. And your parents are mad about your report card. I hope not, but I think so. You just have to try harder next year and cheers you up. Yeah, you only got a C, I got a C now. I got a B. I also got a D. Oh man, good luck then. Thank you. How they just laugh at me. Okay, now I guess I'll have to bicycle. Hello, Mom, Dad. I got my report card. Oh, very good. Well, I'm curious. How many A's did you get? Oh, A's.
January
I
na
got
ba?
really good
Kahit
grades.
nabig ka?
I got 3 A's and 2 C's.
Ah.
I got a C in math and a C in German. How is that possible?
Thank you,
Well,
Ninong.
Sophie also got 2 C's.
Ninong.
Yung gatas
It
yun.
doesn't matter what you got. You got 2 C's. That's not possible. Those are the most important subjects. Oh, sounds of it. Anna's going to get Yes.
Ano yung try?
Red is the base major. It doesn't matter if I got a
What?
I got a positive. I'm going to be in next year. It doesn't matter. No.
I cannot
it does
even
matter.
get.
This is your last year of primary. You have to go to high school. These grades won't get you high school. Let's put it this way. Anna, if you don't try hard,
They're like Kev.
tablet,
What?
what? My cell phone? Okay. I promise you. Next year I'll try harder.
Not there. Because
Okay,
like,
po siya.
Yes, she's addicted to her cell phone. And I know you have problems with that. I can get you too. How about we always set it
Ito na
together?
pala.
Dede.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Dad. I really have huge
Ito la.
No, the other one.
I can help you.
No.
Okay, good that we sorted it out. I mean, Anna's right to a certain extent. The first grade isn't that important. I said that, but I promise you I'll try hard and you just type this report up. And one more thing. Dear family, dear children, we have a little surprise.
and Mimi.
We have a surprise. What? Come on, Dad. Don't be that. He said you can't afford to go on vacation What are we going on vacation after all? Hear that right? We're going on vacation after all. Oh my God, really? Where to? How about Tokyo Disneyland? That would be a dream. Yeah, or maybe to Hawaii again. We're going on this vacation by car, not by
Itong guguguk eh.
At pasalo chicken kaya plastic.
I cannot
Salo kaya pa.
by car.
Why times
Yeah.
Where do you think this vacation is going? Where do you need a tent and a compass? Yes,
You
please
never
write it in the
know
comments because Dad doesn't want to tell us. Come on, Dad. Okay, have you already written that in the comments? We're going on a camping vacation. Oh my God, camping in the woods. Really? What? Camping in the woods? No, really. This is going to be such a fun vacation. We're going to be somewhere in the woods, in the middle of nowhere. We're going to sleep in a tent on the ground. No, I don't want that. There are bugs everywhere and it's gross. Can't we go to Hawaii, please? Sorry, we don't have any money for Hawaii. This is the only vacation we can afford and it's sure to be great. It's sure to be nice to get away from the city for a change. Oh no, please don't fight. This is going to be a horrible vacation. This is going to be the best vacation ever. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. I wish I could stay home. This is going to be such an adventure. This is going to be a great family vacation. The next surprise. We're leaving first thing tomorrow morning. Yeah, how great. Yay. You better pack your bag. We still have to buy a few things. Annabelle, help the twins, please. No, we don't need any help. We can do it. By the way, is Lena coming too? Yeah, are we just going or is Lena coming too? No, Lena's still at university. She won't be here until we get back. Oh, the lucky one. She doesn't have to come with us. Okay, then we'll hurry up. See you then. Please pack your bags. Bye. Camping. I've always wanted to do that. That'll be so cool. Come on. Pack your bags. We have to pack our bags. Are you excited? No, not at all. But why not?
You can't swim. Don't worry, I can help. Let's just quick. Yay! Good. Oh no! Baby can't swim without his swimming. Let's save him. Hey, don't move. We'll take it off first. Oh, wait, let's check the baby. Oh my goodness, he's back from the water in the pool. Baby, are you alright? We will show you how to make this playset. It's super fun and easy. Oh, you can't swim.
Sao Tino lại lén lén nước vậy ta? Mày, ý con nói không thấy mình. Đây không ai biết điểm số của mình cả. Chung này, Trường và Sàn đều cố gắng các kiểm tra điểm thấp. Này qua ngày, Tino liên tục ném bài kiểm tra điểm thấp xuống, khiến căn hầm này không chấn cứng. Mẹ ơi! Con cháu thì sao? Tino! Tino, điểm S. Đúng bài kiểm tra ở đây à? Bí mật của Tino bị bại lộ rồi. Điểm số không quan trọng bằng việc của Giang. Nếu gặp khó khăn, cháu cần nhờ mọi người giúp đỡ, không phải số điểm. Một bài học nhỏ nhưng đáng nhớ.
Why you snore like that?
That?
Yeah. Where's my chocolate drink?
Your chocolate drink?
I slide.
Mapayayat ni.
Where are they taking us? To a movie set. The muscle guy and the fitness kitty. I will be the kitty. Get back to the track. I'm the slimmest here and much lighter than you. It's my tail that's heavy.
Ay, tang kinaro. Talaga yan.
Huh? What's happening?
You're so beautiful and cute.
I'm a bee. I can't fit through the door. I can't eat enough in the cafeteria. The phone's too small.
There are some advantages. Basketball. Peeking through windows.
I'm not really sure. It's a monster. So who's heavy now?
Congratulations, Fifi. You're moving up to the class of monsters.
Make me small again. Small.
Okay.
They're taking us from school. Where are they taking us? To a movie set. Sebab lihat menari berputar dan beraksi. Lagi. Hehehe. Tanya sendiri. Hanya aku yang dicintai.
Kaya magpepa.
Dapatnya
Kaya mag Kita kan kaputo na. Tawa ng koro.
Mobil mewah.
Iyaw-yawa naman masuk.
Robot di sana sini, kan muncul di sini, tapi masalah terjadi. Dia harus diperbaiki. Dia nggak menari. Penonton membenci. Setelah selesai, robot ditinggal sendiri. Nanti baru lagi. Lalu dimulai. Dari atas begitu, robot menangkapku. Sebab lihat berat yakin. Bukan untuk foto. Холодний екран треба закрити. Кип'ячий вже час відкрити. Як моя водичка стала, бабуся плавати почала.
І сонечком спекотно бути. Треба всім в басейн пірнути. Прохолоди тут немає. Вода душ ще нагріває. Холодний кран треба відкрити, а гарячу геть закрити.
Чіпати кран не дозволяю.
Що робити? О, я знаю. Щоб усіх задовольнити, басейн
Baka nila pepalan. Pamikit niya pati ng pera. Isa, Dred, may ganda. Ano ko ni Pedro, ano may ganda. Saya bakit. Dapat ka pa rin naman.
Just do like
Nanyatang makayupan. Makayupan, no?
ah.
Anh sẽ không trả lại đâu. Yêu đi ơi, vẫn còn rất nhiều trò chơi tuyệt vời. Hãy giúp đỡ bạn chúng ta có thể chơi game cùng nhau.
Order, teka po, order.
Hãy phá hủy giám sát cho chúng ta. Rất nguy hiểm. Yuri và Bonnie đã bị điện thoại điều khiển mất rồi. Ôi, chờ đã. Ôi đâu, đầu của em đau quá. Bây giờ hai đứa đã biết hậu quả của nghiện điện thoại chưa? Em sẽ không chơi điện thoại quá nhiều nữa.
Laos Kopo.
Cảm ơn với ngân hàng của bé đi. Tiền miễn phí cho tất cả mọi người.
Kala may kitang kayo. Katambahan nyo. Kala may kitang.
Yun yung kaya ng blessing.
Wala pumuting bisita kaya naliwa may ano na kasi yun yung malawis ko.
Hindi na natukan nila. Pera kanyan. Pera kanyan. Pera kanyan. ngayon ito. Eh, makupos. Eh, senior. Magre daw nga kayo, 1,000. 1,000 niya akong kantin. Utang ng birthday, nakita mo tayo. July, yan.
Wala na.
Hindi niya kalimuan, no? Wala na masun. Wala na yan.
Wala ito nga ba pang Jolly?
Oo, yo.
Ne. Ah,
Ito nga ba kang Jolly?
man, fucking my hand, mom.
Sorry.
Can I stand up?
Kaya ang pagawa ng team?
Kanini ka no, ano kumarin niya, baka magkano ko.
Ina. Ano mo video yung have to? Why?
Kawa niya ka kung saan, diba?
What baby?
Tangan ako ng wine eh.
Kaya mo burili ka.
Bulili talaga.
Na? Eh, watakan mila ko yung balay ngayon eh. Palakon ni nga pli. Saka kapilani palakong ko. Kanina ka bersang to. Mamiyaya pa.
Kabaran na na yung nilak mo.
Diba, ano ba? Yung paggawa niya, ano nga sa asawa ng doon. Alalam na ngayon ha.
Saka mga gulo yun.
Oo, nananay mo yun. Ano kagulit na yan. O, chili na yan. Saigon. Yakan nga pulo kaya na nga pati makagulit. Diba?
Letang letang.
Pagkita din nakatambak mo yung kahit ano ito. Yan, look. Anak na natin pisa. Ay, yan. Ay, makagin nga kapulit yan. Ano nga pa. Bata ni nga pang kulay-kulay. Ano nga pindol. Hindi pa pagawa yan.
Pundoy na lang.
Panludi ko sa lini. Bale. May gagdan sinabi. Sana ador na sinabi. Sana ninigan sa uling ador ito. Ang kahit ang siyempre na karana.
Bilhin mo natin.
Sino pa ka sa amin? Hindi lahat.
Lalo.
Dalan.
Pwede pa sa liwan din ng
Makanya
Bye guys!